This is Global Pulse TV. I'm Sleek Eve, bringing you breaking headlines, global stories, and the truth behind the news. Let's dive into today's top story.
What if I told you your next laptop might not even have a screen? That's right, the world's first screenless laptop is finally here. It's not science fiction anymore. It's real. This device could completely change how we work, how we communicate, and how we use computers in our daily lives. Let us take a closer look at this futuristic invention that is making headlines around the world. So, what exactly is a screenless laptop? At first glance, it looks like a regular keyboard setup, but there's no physical display attached. Instead, it comes with a pair of advanced augmented reality glasses, which, when worn, project a full-size virtual screen right in front of your eyes. You can work, browse, type, watch videos just like a normal laptop. But here's the twist: no one else can see what you're seeing. It's like having your own personal holographic monitor floating in midair. Here's how it works. You connect your glasses using a simple cable or wireless link to the laptop base. Once activated, the glasses use high-resolution displays and head-tracking technology to create a crisp, immersive virtual screen. You can move your head slightly to look around, and the screen follows you, staying stable and sharp. It's like being inside your own private workspace wherever you go. Think about the possibilities. You're sitting at a cafe, working on sensitive documents, but no one around you can peek at your screen. You're on a long flight, and instead of squinting at a tiny screen, you have a massive virtual display in your vision. It's privacy, productivity, and portability reimagined. Need to multitask, open multiple windows in the air around you, all without carrying extra monitors. Of course, this kind of futuristic tech isn't without its challenges. Our glasses still need to improve in areas like battery life, comfort for long hours, and brightness under sunlight. And let's not forget, this kind of laptop may not be cheap. It's still early days, and this is likely to be used by early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and professionals first. But as the tech matures, we may see it become more affordable and mainstream. The screenless laptop isn't just a cool gadget. It is a glimpse into the future of how we'll interact with machines, a future where screens disappear and experiences become more immersive, more personal, and more mobile than ever before. So now the big question is, would you use a laptop without a screen? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future tech breakdowns.